Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today, why did I take those out? Oh, I know. Today, I'm just going to show you, I got a haul to show you and some stuff that I'm still gathering for my junk journal, which is going to start, I think, in about a week. Sometime in March. That first week of March. Some things that I forgot to show you the last time that I'm going to be using are these two things. Now, I bought these when I had first decided to, start my book binding. But since then, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to use real leather. This is just some vinyl that I got, I think either at Joann's or at Hobby Lobby. I can't remember. But it's just some vinyl. This is a cream color, and this is brown that you can see. Actually, this looks more like it ought to be something on a basketball. But I got these two colors, so I'm going to use this to cover my junk journal with, because I want it to be a hardback. a hardcover, and I need to find that paper as well. I'm going to be using this. This is my happy book. I call this my happy book. And I made this a while ago, and I'm going to use it to store the embellishments that I'm going to be making for my journal. Now, I had to replace the pockets here and on this side too, because there were some other ones, and I went on and took them off. And this right here I don't care about, because I can use washi tape if it annoys me enough, but other than that, it's fine. This one I'm going to have to repair because, well, not repair, replace, because the hole is there. And the pockets are like this. These pockets they were for storing your dies, your thin dies. And I got replacements around here somewhere. I just haven't found them. So, but I was keeping some embellishments and some other things in here. See, like this one needs to be replaced. So, but right now this is going to be my junk journal embellishment book, my happy book. Okay, and let's see. Next is this thing right here. I know I showed you guys this. This is a toy sewing machine, and this is what I'll be using to do my junk journal sewing on certain things. Because right now I did try it, and it did go through a couple of book pages. Okay, and the spools that I got are that size, so they should work in here. And this is what I'll be using to do any sewing, and because that's actually why I bought it, to try it on here first and see if it was going to work out for me. And it does. I do have a sewing machine. It was my mom's, and my grandma said that it needed to be repaired. I've never even turned it on. I've just been hauling it around for years, and I'm going to continue to haul it around just as long as. But I will, at some point in time, get a chance to get it looked at, even turn it up, plug it up, just to see if it even turns on. It might even explode if I turn it on. I don't know. But that's neither here nor there. Okay, and I found these books. I had forgotten I had these books. This is Introduction to Philosophy, Revised Edition. And of course, I went to see if this book was worth anything before I start in on it, and it's not. I think somebody got a book like this out there for like $2. So this will be another book. I'm not gonna need that many book pages, I don't think, anyway, because I have the other book, whatever the name of it is. I got that one, and this one as well. This one came from my BFF's parents' house, and this says The Tempest, and then it says The Tempest, William Shakespeare. I kind of looked these up a little bit, and apparently a store called Woolworth, I think that's what it was, used to sell these little booklets like this, and they were leather-bound books. And so, but these are basically dry rotting they're coming apart, you know. So there is no sense in trying to, at least I won't try and fix it or whatever, because I think it'll cost more to fix it than to just go ahead on and take it apart and use it in junk journals like this. And here's another book that I got from her mom. Now I did see at one point I guess how many of it, maybe 8 of these books, and I think that's how many I have. And they were in pristine condition. And for that book, I think it was about I think they were selling them on Amazon for about $500. Give me a second, I need to go check on the baby. All right, guys, sorry about that, but I think I said that I thought I saw this book in pristine condition, this set. I think it was like $500. But like I said, they were in pristine condition. These are not at all. And I think, I'm not sure though, that a lot of the ones, a few of the ones that I have, like, see how this page has a image on it? I think the other ones probably have lost their images. So, but, you know, other than that, I think it'd be a good book it's a good candidate for junk journaling. But what I will do is go take them to a bookstore and see what they say, a place that buys books. And the last book that I have is this one. And the only thing that gets me about this book is that when I opened it up, there is writing in here, like like right there, and somebody was using this book heavily at some point in time. But anyway, I came across this. Excuse me. And where are you? Those of us who have been around long enough know what this purpley thing is. I forgot what they called it. It was back then our version of the copy machine, but I do not remember the official name of it. And check out the date on this. This was a midterm exam, October 31st, 1969. How cool is that? And then here's another one. This is Fluid Mechanics Exam 2, Section 1. This one is dated December 1969. So I have some qualms about destroying this book, but anyway, anything may happen. Alright, so that's the things that I wanted to show you that I'm going to be using for my junk journal. What is this in my coffee? Oh gosh. Anyway, coffee grinds. I bought this thing because I watch Posh, I think her Posh Paper Lady. I think that's what her name is. I'll put a link to her channel in the description box just in case. But she uses this thing a lot. So I said, well, let me grab myself one and then I can try it out. Because she just seems to get so precise when she uses this thing. And I know it's a learning curve. It was going to be a learning curve for me anyway. But I like this, so I picked it up. And this stuff right here is some papers. These are some vintage paper that I picked up. Oh, it's been some months ago, actually. And I had always wanted to show you guys, but I put it up and forgot where I put it until I started looking for something else and I found it. And these are from 3 of my favorite paper stacks from Bo Bunny. And this one is Gabrielle. And this is the sticker sheet from Gabrielle. And these are some of the double-sided papers. I got 2 of each. And I didn't get all of the papers. They were out of some. I just can't remember which ones. But I did pick up these. This is from Gabrielle as well. I think I ordered 2 of these and I only got the one. Wait a minute, hold on, let me see. One of these. Let's do it this way. Here we go. I messed up. Okay. This is the front side of this sheet, and this is the back side. This is the front side of this one. Here's the back side. And here are some cutouts from Gabrielle. This is one side, and this is the other side. I call these ploppers because if you actually take these and cut them out, excuse me, and you can actually just glue this onto a 4x4, a 6x6 piece of cardstock, or not cardstock, chipboard, and you would actually have, this is like a ready-made album. So I got those, and those are the sheets that I got from Gabrielle. These are some sheets that I got from Timepiece, which is the one that you guys know that I said I was going to use in my album. So this is one side here, and this is another side. Here's more Timepiece. And I call these vintage because vintage doesn't necessarily mean old. It just means that it's no longer being produced. Here's another Timepiece. I think this may be the one that I asked for 2 and I was only given 1 because I think they probably ran out. And now these I think are etc. Let me make sure this is Timepiece. Yes, that's Timepiece. Alright, I got a few of etc. And this one may be the one that I got some of the ones had run out. So this is etc. That's the front and that's the back of that sheet. This etc. This is the front and this is the back. Beautiful ledger-ish paper. More etc. Here's the front. Look at just the beautiful collage on this one. And here's the back. Ledger paper. And I think this is from etc. This is their their scrapbook piece. This is from etc. as well. And this last grouping is from the first Mamarazzi. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Here's this one. No, I only got one of this one. So this one actually may be the one that they ran out of. So that's one. Here's another sheet of the Mamarazzi. And I'm showing you guys these because, like I said, I got them a while ago, but Gabrielle, Timepiece, and etc., with them all being Bo Bunny, they all match. So I'm thinking I could do one signature in Timepiece, one signature in Gabrielle, and one signature in etc. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Here's another one from the first Mamarazzi. And we're coming to the end, guys. Here's another set. This is the front of Mamarazzi. Like I said, this is from the first Mamarazzi stack. They had 2. I did not like that second one at all. This is another sheet from the first Mamarazzi. And the last 2 from the first Momorazi stack. Okay. So I think that catches me up on stuff. Yeah. So I just want you guys to know that I am still collecting stuff. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can remember, because she should be here. Jenny, I think her name is Jenny. She sent me a name of a person that she gave out 7 pages, a 7-page document with stuff to collect for your journals, for your junk journals. And I did download it. I went and put my name in, and I got the email, and I was able to download the 7-page thing, plus the note from the maker of the junk journal. If you sell them, she put a little note, and I'm assuming this note tells the person, what it is, how to use it, kind of sort of thing. Let me see what her name is if I can find it. Oh my goodness. Posh Paper Lady. That's who I'm gonna be stalking next. Well, I've been stalking her. She just don't know it. Let me see. Oh my God. And her name is so simple. Let me go through. Let me go through the history, and I should be able to find it here in the history quickly. Oh my goodness. The Paper Outpost. That's who she is. That's where I got the 7-page document and the note from the journal maker. So, and I think I entered her giveaway. She's having a giveaway. I subbed to her because she has a whole bunch of stuff, and it's great. I need to know all that stuff too about making this junk journal. Me and this junk journal, we gonna get it together, y'all. Me and this junk journal, yeah, we gonna make it happen. And I want you guys along for this journey, because as soon as I'm done, or even while I'm working on this junk journal, I may go ahead on and start my book binding project. Okay, guys, so that is it for today. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.